Achoo! Khan Academy Kids.
The Big Sneeze. Maribel speaks, and she speaks well. With a voice like a spell and a stance like a star, she can talk about anything at all, from the class pet to playing clarinet. Maribel dreams of someday speaking to 1,000,000 people all at once. Maybe she'll be mayor, or the first grader to live stream from the moon. There's just one little thing keeping Maribel from speaking.
Achoo!
Every time Maribel speaks in front of a crowd, she sneezes. A lot. Not a little wheeze, not a medium breeze, but a big, billowing achoo! Mrs. Sato calls Maribel to her desk. Great job, as usual. Here are the class butterflies. Are you ready for the big school presentation during lunch today? Of course, Maribel says. I won't sneeze, even once. It'll be perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect, Mrs. Sato says. Just do your best. Maribel practices with her friend. Jay pinches Maribel's nostrils and takes cover. Go ahead, Maribel. Our class is happy to present our native butterfly.
Achoo!
I've worked so hard on these, Maribel sniffles. It's gotta be perfect. So what if it's not perfect, Jay says. If you sneeze, you sneeze. The lunch bell rings. Maribel thinks about Jay's words as she carries the butterflies to the cafeteria. In the warmth of the spotlight, Maribel smiles and spreads her arms wide. Mrs. Sato's class welcomes you to our Hawaiian wildlife presentation. The crowd leans in as Maribel speaks, her spotted wings fluttering behind her. It's all going well until Maribel feels the tickle from her nose to her toes. Maribel scrunches up her face. She clutches her nose. She hears Jay shout, "It's okay, Maribel. Just sneeze and keep going." So what if it's not perfect? Sometimes not perfect is just right. Maribel wiggles, flaps her wings, and finally lets go.
Achoo!
With a giggle and a snort, Maribel lands on her feet. Our native butterfly, the Kamehameha. The cafeteria shakes from all the cheers. Even Maribel can't help but smile. Maribel speaks, and she speaks well. Sometimes she speaks perfectly. Sometimes she sneezes too. Anyway, either way is just right.